Ready? Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities.
The first thing you want to do is to check whether there's power in your TEVI. After that, insert it back into the case, turn it around, press both sides and hold it until the orange LED turns white, after which you let go. Now, all you've got to do is do a double tap and then get it into pairing mode, as you can see in a short while. And there you are. When you put it back into the case, it will turn orange. Now you're ready for pairing.
And maybe try a few. The bare necessities of life will come to